everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Lows in the Lime Ice colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there as well as an amazing merch store. So be sure to head on over to that website after this video is done. Today we're going to be talking about the Nike Dunk Lows, and this was a woman's exclusive, and this is in the Lime Ice colorway. So we're going to start off with the overview, then jump into size and fit on these, talk about styling. I had a special brand that sent me over a gift, so we will talk about that in a little bit, but the brand's name is Find Me Now. So thanks to the Find Me Now team for thinking about me, and I was so happy to include one of your pieces into one of my looks today. Then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So let's jump into the overview on these. I'm not going to lie, I've had these for quite some time now, but here we are doing the unboxing finally on these. This is a really cool pastel color scheme, and I never thought that, you know, this lime and light pink and purple would really vibe together, but once I put the looks all together and saw how the images came out, I actually love this color scheme. So starting from the front of the toe box, it's in this nice kind of pastel pink. We've got that lime ice green on the front there. Working our way up to the laces, we've got nice pink laces which match that pink nylon tongue. More accents on the eyelets here in the lime ice, as well as the Nike and swoosh mark is in a gray that pops quite nicely off of that lime ice color scheme. So let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, we have underlays of that pastel pink and then pops of this really cool purple. I love purple right now. I think I'm going through a purple phase maybe, but I love the purple pastel color scheme on the swoosh mark, and then other underlays of that lime ice which wraps around to the back. We've got the embroidered Nike in the lime green. The insole of the shoe is a nice lavender color scheme, and then the shoe is completed and finished off with a white midsole and that lime ice outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so let's talk about size and fit. Again, this was a woman's exclusive colorway, so I was a woman's size 9 in this one. I would say this runs true to size. So depending on what type of foot shape you may have, I do have high arch narrow feet. So if you have flat feet that are on the wider side, this may differentiate a different size that works best for you, but I would say stick true to size on this one. All right, now let's jump into styling. So much fun styling these. These have so many pops of colors, but the first brand I want to talk about that I wore is actually a brand that sent this over my way, and I think they have some of the most incredible prints and incredible color schemes in all of their looks. The look that they sent me was this really cool dress that has a matching bucket hat. They left me this really kind note too. The brand is called Find Me Now, so be sure to look in my description box below for a link. This brand is incredible. You're definitely going to want to check them out. It says, Marissa, we are so excited to have you as part of to have you try out our designs. Can't wait to hear your thoughts and see how you style these. Enjoy. From the team over at Find Me Now, the label. So Find Me Now, the label, hashtag find us as one. So check out those hashtags. I'll have all the links down below, but this is a really cool brand. And again, I think it went so great with this pop of orange colorway, just because it's like this sherbet kind of orange, which I think is just so much fun to mix and match with color schemes like this.
But the way you move is perfect by design. You look just like you fell down from the sky. Yeah, you're on another level, and you got something special. If I could let you fall in love with me, you know I would. You got me with your hook, and all you got to do is walk. Your move, now it's up on you, on you.
All right, so for the next two looks, I decided to wear some just light denim baggy jeans. I paired that with a nice pattern of white and purple for a knit button-down sweater top. I think the purple really vibed quite nicely with the swoosh mark on the accents of this shoe.
You just gotta say please, but baby, it's your move, your move, your move. It's your move, your move, your move. It's up on you, on you, on you. If you want me, you just gotta say please. But baby, it's your move, your move, your move. Now I'm sure that you get this all the time, but your eyes make diamonds look like just alright, alright.
All right, so for the last and final look, I decided to pull from this lime ice color scheme. I wanted to add some green accents into my look, so I wore a green t-shirt wrapped around another green button down, and I wore some just simplistic gray sweats, which I think really just worked and vibed well with the lime ice color scheme of this sneaker.
Adidas shoes and freckles, just my type. Yeah, and you got the credentials, making me go mental. If I could let you fall in love with me, you know I would. You got me with your hook, and all you got to do is walk. It's your move, your move, your move. Now it's up on you, on you, on you. If you wanted me, you just gotta say please. But baby, it's your move, your move, your move. Baby, it's your move.
All right, so before I jump out of the styling section, I do want to talk quickly about how I accessorized this today. And again, this is my favorite watch brand, Shinola. It is a Detroit-based brand. They make some of the highest quality watches I have ever seen, and I have the Detrola on right now, which I think goes perfectly with all the looks, including this pastel color scheme. This is in the Aw Yeah colorway, AU, no pun intended. That's the periodic table for gold, because as you can see, this is a beautiful color scheme. We have gold accents throughout, as well as a cream band. And cream just basically vibes, I feel like, with everything. It's a nice kind of sail tone to it, but I'm pretty obsessed with this watch. So if you're interested in checking out Shinola's watches, be sure to hit the links down below. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these? And be sure to check check out the links below for this amazing brand that I'm wearing here now, the Find Me Now, and check out how cool their stuff is to style with sneakers. Now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So these retailed at a $100 price point, and currently on the lower end, they're going from $115 to a higher price point of about $145. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much everybody for tuning in. If you're new here and haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do that now. Give this video a thumbs up as well. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button and our merch store. That's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next one.